Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by preparing the images and toggling Apple Intelligence. Enable iCloud Photos and the Apple Intelligence switch in Settings Photos so features are available. Next, pick or create an album and select the photos you'll process. This scopes results and saves time. Once done, duplicate critical images to preserve originals before any intelligent adjustments. This avoids irreversible edits and helps you compare outcomes because Apple Intelligence applies context-aware changes that can alter color, composition, or subject isolation. You now run the core Apple Intelligence features inside Photos. Open a selected image, tap Edit, and choose the Magic Wand or Intelligence menu to reveal tools like Smart Adjust and Background Isolation. Apply one tool at a time so you understand each effect. For example, use Smart Adjust to correct tone, then isolate background to emphasize the subject. Make incremental slider changes for exposure, warmth, depth, and noise reduction to keep results natural, because aggressive settings reduce detail and can create artifacts. You finish by exporting and verifying results, then troubleshooting if needed. Export at original resolution or share an iCloud link so recipients see full quality, and compare your duplicates to confirm edits improved the image. If outcomes look wrong, revert to the duplicate and retry with gentler sliders. Should Apple Intelligence misbehave, make sure iOS is updated, toggle the Intelligence setting off and on, or restart Photos to clear cache. These steps resolve most recognition or processing failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.